Hey there, welcome to my room at the JW Marriott in Quito. Come on in. As you first enter the room, there's a closet with a robe, slippers, and a safe. Next, you'll find the mini fridge and a coffee maker right before entering the very spacious bathroom that has a vanity sink, a standing shower, a jacuzzi tub, and a toilet room. My room had 2 double beds, a TV, desk, and a great view of Quito. Downstairs in the very spacious and open-air lobby is where you'll find the different dining concepts, like Fogo de Chao, Races, where you'll have an authentic dining experience. There's the Sushi Lobby Sports Bar. And then down the stairs is where you'll find Botanica, which is where I enjoyed their elaborate breakfast buffet. That was a mix of classics with some traditional Ecuadorian dishes. Right outside from the Botanica is where you'll find the resort-style pool, which is close by to the health club, where you can enjoy spa treatments and the fully equipped gym. This was a great, safe hotel option to stay in while visiting Quito. I hope you enjoyed checking out the JW Marriott in Quito with me. For more information, click the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm FunSized.